Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to sort data in Excel. Whether you are organizing names, numbers, or any type of data, sorting can make it easier to work with. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Excel sheet. For this example, I have a simple table of data here with columns like name, age, and score. To sort data, you need to select the range of cells you want to organize. Click and drag your mouse over the data you want to sort. In my case, I'm selecting all the rows from A2 to C11. Make sure you include the headers if you have them. Once your data is selected, head over to the Data tab on the top menu. You'll see a section called Sort and Filter. Now click on the Sort button. This will open the Sort dialog box. Now we get to choose how we want to sort our data. In the Sort By drop-down menu, you can pick which column you want to sort by. For this example, let's say I want to sort by age, so I'll choose age from the list. Next, we choose the order. Below the sort by option, there's a section that says order. You can sort from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest. If you're sorting text, it will give you options like A to Z or Z to A. I'm going to select smallest to largest to sort the ages in ascending order. Excel also lets you sort by multiple columns. Let's say I want to sort by age first and then by score. I can do that by clicking Add Level. Then, in the second row that appears, I'll choose to sort by score. And for the order, I'll pick largest to smallest. This way, Excel will first sort by age, and if there are any duplicates, it will then sort those rows by score. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click OK. And just like that, Excel sorts all the data according to the rules we set. Now, you can see the data is arranged by age in ascending order, and within that, the scores are sorted from largest to smallest. Simple, right? If you want to quickly sort without going through the sort tool, you can use the filter. To do this, click anywhere inside your data, then go back to the Data tab and click on Filter. Little arrows will appear in the header of each column. Just click on the arrow in the column you want to sort and select Sort A to Z or Sort Z to A. It's a quick way to sort your data on the fly. And that's it. You now know how to easily sort data in Excel, whether by one column or multiple columns. Sorting helps make your data more manageable and easier to analyze. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.